Welcome to How to Solve.
How to add multiple accounts on TikTok. So first, you just need to click your TikTok application on your phone and you just browse down and click on your profile, and on the upper right portion beside your name, there you can see the add account option. Just click on it and then just input your number so that it will send you a code for you to be registered and verified on making your TikTok account. Just wait for the code, and there you go. That's the code. Just encode it on that and choose your birthday. Make sure that you are not 18 below to be able to be verified. And create a password, a strong password that, yes, that's it. And create your nickname. So your nickname must be unique. It depends on your nickname. And there you go. That's your account on TikTok. So that is how you add an account on TikTok. That's it. I hope it helped you.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.